Okay, go.
So I'm Brandon Hansen. We're from Ruthven, Iowa. And this 1970 hydro demonstrator was actually purchased brand new by my grandpa and grandma.
What are their names?
Maxine and Leo Hansen.
Okay.
They bought it for my dad. Grandpa was actually passing away at the time, so Grandpa wanted to have a brand new tractor for my dad.
And your dad's name is?
Dennis Hansen.
Okay.
And so that was their big thing. So they went over to Rudd, Iowa and purchased this tractor from the implement over there, brought it home that day, and actually was used on the dairy farm from 1970 to about 1996.
Oh.
So it was actually the loader tractor, and my grandparents had done die-cast model tractors, and they were at a show in Dyersville one day, and a gentleman was talking about a demonstrator, and Grandma turned around and made the comment that she has one at home.
Oh, cool.
And after we found out more about it, my dad had actually went home and took off the emblem, and we had found gold paint underneath there, so that it was supposed to be originally, they were supposed to, after a year, supposed to go back to the dealer, and they were supposed to paint them red, so it kind of looked like this one here.
Okay.
Well, with Grandpa's passing, they never did take it back. They just kept it the gold. And then Dad actually sat back and looked under the hood and found more gold underneath there. Well, in order for us to find the right color gold, took it to a machine shop, and they actually matched an 826 gold color there, and this one matched to a T.
Wow.
And a friend of ours actually has been painting all these for us for the last few years.
And so it's the exact match shade.
Yep, and my dad has been the original owner since day one.
Wow.
He was 17 years old when his dad bought that for him before his passing.
So is this a heritage tractor?
Yep.
Yeah, okay, great. Anything just in particular unique about it, or just that you like?
It's a hydrostatic drive, so that worked really well on the dairy farms, because you could be going forward in a cattle lot, you could be going backwards all at the same time because of that hydrostatic drive.
Great.
You never had to worry about a clutch or anything. It is the original. We did have to redo the motor, but it is the actual original hydro in it yet.
Great.
From 1970.
Very cool.
So we've got a little bit on that front there, emblem there too, or the poster we've got made up too.
Okay.
But yeah, no, they don't go anywhere but shows. They do not sit outside unless they're at a show.
Okay. They're now a historical
Yep,
preservation.
they are.
That's great. Thank you so much. I'm just going to do a little spin around the tractor. Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
They harvest, they plow, they harvest corn in this year, they shell the corn, and just like